This current week is a record breaker for Oregon in terms of COVID vaccine shipped into the state, more than 220,000 doses. That includes 120,000 of the one-shot Johnson & Johnson. But the surge will quickly end, and significantly lower numbers will follow, with an unknown impact on the immunization plan. 2 weeks ago, the Oregon Health Authority expected that starting April 10th, Oregon would get 250,000 doses of vaccine each week and every week into May. Now it appears those numbers will be cut by 60%, with only 100,000 doses expected to arrive. Dave Baden is in charge of the Oregon vaccine rollout and said this current week is indeed a record.
Okay, but in the next 2 weeks after that, you're saying the supply will essentially be cut in half.
Yeah, and I really think that's the Johnson & Johnson, up and down and not having great insight of when that is going to happen.
Johnson & Johnson had a problem in an East Coast factory that caused 15 million doses to be tossed out and temporarily halted future shipments. J&J doses already in Oregon are safe. Baden said it's unclear how long Oregon will be getting the lower number of vaccine doses, but it almost certainly means there will not be enough for the estimated 1 million people who become eligible April 19th.
The challenge there will be some traffic jams. It was going to be traffic jams on May 1st. There'll be traffic jams on April 19th of how many doses coming into the state and, frankly, how many doses that are being produced by vaccine manufacturers.
It's unclear if the state will even hit its goal of giving everyone 16 and over at least one dose by the first week of June. In the meantime, the traffic jam is already here. This was the OHSU website struggling for a second day as 11,000 people crammed into a vaccine scheduling site designed for 4,800, everybody trying to grab one of 5,700 appointments. The site was glitchy and often did not work right. Hannah Rote was one of those struggling to get a slot.
It was just error after error, and then finally I was in, and it was a little loading icon, and I could see appointments, but it wouldn't let me grab them, and then it would crash and say, sorry, our server crashed. And so I just kept trying, and then eventually I got an appointment for tomorrow, and then I went to the next step and it crashed again.
Hannah said a friend later helped her get an appointment. If you missed the action this morning, not to worry, you'll have more chances. OHSU says it's going to open the website again tomorrow morning and Thursday morning at 9 a.m., giving away up to 6,000 appointments each day. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.